we are studying that chapter number 2, the living world. And in the chapter, main points are that characteristics of living thing, and that all characteristics are growth, necessity of food, and respiration. That 3 points are there. First point is growth, second is necessity of food, and third is respiration. सजीव म्हटलं की वाढ आली, सजीव म्हटलं की अन्नाची गरज आली, आणि सजीव म्हटलं की श्वसन प्रक्रिया आली. That is why that main characteristics are there, and that main characteristics are: first is the growth, second is the necessity of food, and third is respiration. If any type of plant and animals there is growth, if any type of plant and animal there is necessity of food, if there is any type of plant and animal there is respiration. Why? Because these three are characteristics of living thing. First is growth, second is necessity of food, and third is respiration. I have mentioned here what that if any type of plant and animal. Why? Because all types of plant and animal are examples of living things. All types of plant and all types of animal are examples of living things. That stone is not living thing. That buildings are not living thing. That doors are not living thing. That table is not living thing. Listen carefully. All types of plant and animals are examples of living thing. And if there is a living thing, there is a long list of characteristics. And in that list, the first is growth. If there is plant, there is growth. Second, necessity of food. If there is plant, there is necessity of food. And third is respiration. If any type of plant and animal, there is respiration. That कोणताही सजीव म्हटलं की वाढ आली, सजीव म्हटलं की अन्नाची गरज आली, सजीव म्हटलं की श्वसन आलंय. म्हणून समजून घ्या की सजीवांच्या लक्षणांचा आपण अभ्यास करतोय. त्याला इंग्लिश मध्ये म्हणतात कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ लिव्हिंग थिंग. चॅप्टर नंबर 2, द लिव्हिंग वर्ल्ड. त्यात आपण कसा अभ्यास करतोय? सजीवांची लक्षणं. 7-8 आहेत, पण त्यातल्या पहिल्या 3चा अभ्यास करतो आपण. इफ देअर इज लिव्हिंग थिंग, देअर इज ग्रोथ. इफ देअर इज लिव्हिंग थिंग, देअर इज नेसेसिटी ऑफ फूड. इफ देअर इज लिव्हिंग थिंग, देअर इज respiration. Why? Because we are studying living world. Now, here growth. Young one grows, height, weight, height, weight, and number 1 height, number 2 and strength. कसले कसले वाढते बघा. वाढ कसे होते? एक लहान नवीन जन्म घेतलेलं कोणताही प्राणी आणि कोणतीही वनस्पती, यंग वन, नवीन जन्म घेतलेलं लहान, त्याच्यामध्ये काय बदल होतो? काय वाटतं? यंग वन ग्रो हाईट, यंग वन ग्रो वेट, अँड यंग वन ग्रोज height, young one grows weight, and young one grows strength. Why? Because any young one of plant and any young one of animal, they grow in that 3 important objects. What? First is that young one grows height, young one grows weight, and young one grows strength. That's why, because the growth is the main characteristic of living thing. Okay. Then next is necessity of food. That plants, plants plants prepare their food. Plants prepare their food by photosynthesis. By photosynthesis. आता अन्नाची गरज, necessity of food. In plant it is different and in animal it is different. अन्नाची गरज वनस्पतीला पण आहे आणि प्राण्याला पण आहे, पण त्यांची अन्न तयार करण्याची पद्धत वेगळी. सर्व प्रकारच्या वनस्पती प्रकाश संश्लेषणाच्या साहाय्याने अन्न तयार करतात. इन इंग्लिश इट इज कॉल्ड फोटोसिंथेसिस, प्रकाश संश्लेषण. सूर्याच्या किरणापासून अन्न तयार करण्याच्या प्रक्रियेला फोटोसिंथेसिस म्हणतात. When that sun rays absorbed by that leaf, that plant prepare his own food. It is called photosynthesis, and that is the system of preparation of food by plant. Okay, here prepare their food by photosynthesis, that plant. Then what about animal? Prepare their own food. Prepare their own food. That all types of animal prepare their own food, and that plants prepare their food by photosynthesis. That we are studying here necessity of food. अन्न तयार करणं. प्राणी त्यांना पण अन्नाची गरज आहे आणि वनस्पती त्यांना पण अन्नाची गरज आहे, पण त्यांची अन्न तयार करण्याची पद्धत वेगळी. Their system is different. That plant prepare their food by photosynthesis and animal prepare their own food. Now last point is respiration. Last point is respiration. All living things need oxygen for respiration. Now third point is respiration. That first is growth. There is young one, and that young one grow in that three elements, the three objects. First is young one grows in height, young one grows in weight, young one grows in strength. First point, first characteristic of living thing. Second is necessity of food. There is a necessity of food in plant also, in animal also, but their preparation system is different. That the plant prepare their food with the help of photosynthesis, and animal prepare their own food. And last point is respiration. All types of plants and animals need oxygen for respiration. That means श्वास घेणे सोडणे म्हणजे respiration is also main characteristic of living thing. म्हणजे सर्व सजीवांना श्वसनासाठी ऑक्सिजनची गरज असते. All types of plants and animals need oxygen for respiration. Okay, now we have completed here three characteristics of living thing. First is growth, second is necessity of food, and third is respiration. Okay, study yourself.